What does Rama say? No, there is a beautiful conversation. If you see Valmiki Ramayana, he says, Api, he says, now, Api, Swarnamaya Lanka. So now it is so beautiful. It is gold. It is made of gold. Api Swarnamaya Lanka. Lakshmana Ruchite, because Lakshmana loved it. But Rama says, Janani Janma BHUMISCHA Swargadapi Gariyasi. There are so many things wonderful than my motherland. There are so many things in the world so beautiful than my motherland. But my motherland is the greatest of all. Janani Janma BHUMISCHA Swargadapi Gariyasi. Why am I saying this? Wherever you might be, whatever you might become a great CEO of a company, you might become a king, you might become a billionaire. But never forget the roots. Never forget your motherland. Where you have come from, never forget that. Whatever you could do, because remember we talked about last couple of weeks, what is that you can do to the motherland? Don't ask what it did to you. You as a citizen, what did you do? Something is happening in my country. What did we do? Question yourself. Any Tom, Dick and Harry on the road will talk anything. But is there something you could do? We talked about squirrel story in Ramayana as well. Dharma. What did you do to your dharma? Sophia Qureshi and Vyomika Singh. Sophia Qureshi is colonel. She is wing commander. Why did they come? Why did they come? Usually any military personnel, always men will come and do the briefing. Why did women come? They took off the kumkum, which means that they killed the husbands. Husbands are supposed to represent the kumkum of women. They put sindoor in between the, in the middle of the head, partition. They put it to represent longevity of their husbands. They took that off by killing them. So they made it as Operation Sindoor. They named wantedly Operation Sindoor. Sindoor means the kumkum. That represents that greatness of our women. And the women commanders, they came forward and they gave the briefing, which never happened in the entire universe. Not even America, not even Russia, not even so-called European countries. The first one, Bharat, Operation Sindoor. Sophia Qureshi, what did she say? Her great-great-grandmother worked with Rani Lakshmi Bai. Sophia Qureshi's great-great-grandmother. She fought besides Rani Lakshmi Bai. And grandfathers, so many grandfathers, father, everybody were in army. So, inspiration, not just the news. Take inspiration. Read about them. Let's read along with the kids. Show them what it is. Let them look at it. Let them feel something. Let them research. Okay, one is that. What did you do?